Hello everyone, we're here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. That means that with any vehicle purchase, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your chance to win $10,000. And now back to the star of the show, we have this beautiful 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan, and this happens to be the 30th anniversary edition. Under the hood, you're going to find the award-winning 3.6 liter V6 Pentastar engine that's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, and it's shown in the gorgeous true blue pearl, which as we head around into the sunshine, you'll see is a really pretty color. Down below, you'll be riding on 17-inch aluminum wheels. This has been fully safetied and inspected. It's only had one previous owner and has a clean CARFAX. We're going to take you through it quickly, but if you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. So you do get this factory remote with your unlock, lock, panic button, and power doors. Remote start as well. Give you a quick shot of these wheels and tires. Tires look like they're in excellent condition. As we head on inside, I just want to give you a shot of the roof rack there first. You do have a beautiful two-tone interior, gloss black accents throughout, power mirrors, windows and locks, your very back windows power tilt out as well. Lots of storage in the door. Your driver's seat's fully adjustable with lumbar support, and you get this gorgeous kind of leather and suede finish that keeps you cool in the summer and warm in the winter. On your steering wheel, cruise control to the right, to the left, Bluetooth and hands-free, dash selection buttons behind my fingers there, audio mounted controls, headlight options to the left, and into the dash. The current mileage is 148,261 kilometers on this currently. You also have a large menu of information you can scroll through. Take a second to explore that a bit further with your sales advisor. Shifter up and out of the way to the right, of course your ignition area to the right as well. Nice clean dash. And into your Uconnect system. So you do have your Bluetooth and hands-free, AM, FM, and satellite capability options for your radio, and then for your media you can connect through USB auxiliary, Bluetooth, and you have your hard drive in here as well. You also have a disc player and a beautiful backup camera. Down below that you have your climate control, so 3 different zones, your driver, passenger, and then a rear zone. Your rear passengers can also control it from back where they are. Lots of space in the center console, 2 12-volt outlets. You have these nice covers keeping everything tidy. And then back there you do have a drawer that pulls out to give that second row some cup holders and additional storage. I'll show you that in a minute. So everything's in great condition throughout here. Glove compartment, additional space above that. Vanity mirrors, sunglass storage, and all your power door buttons are above. So as we head into the back here with the power doors, you just have to pull the handle. They'll take over and open for you. So great mats, 2 captain's chairs in the second row, storage behind the seats. They do stow right down into the ground, and when they're not currently stowed, of course, you have all of that storage. Up top, again, climate control and the disc player. And then in the back, you can use the center aisle to get to the back, or the seats do tip forward. So that gives you access to the additional 3 seats in the third row. So you do have some storage along the sides as well as cup holders there too. And then with the power doors, you just have to pull the handle and they'll close on their own. As we head into the back, so lots of space back here. It's a nice deep area because of course the seats do stow down fully into the ground. So we'll just show you that really quickly. You can do everything with one hand. You just pull the straps in order. They are numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4. And just like that, they go right down into the ground and they come up just as easy. So overall, super versatile vehicles, really comfortable to drive, really easy to get in and out of. If you haven't had a chance to drive one, definitely come on down, book yourself in for a test drive, and get on the road to experience the Grand Caravan for yourself. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.